All right, guys, we are going to talk organization. I'm going to make this big. Wait, no. Oh, there it is. We're going to talk organization. You would not believe how many people come to us and have their logos in a Dropbox that they haven't touched since 2018. Their copy is non-existent. They have some photos of themselves in their cell phone that they'd like to use, or it's everywhere. And so the first thing we always tell our clients and people who come to us to do this is organize your stuff. All right. So that's what we're going to do. Google Drive is an amazing way for you to do that, and Dropbox. And the reason I'm saying use those two is because you can actually upload your video files into Kajabi directly from Google Drive or Dropbox instead of having to take the time to download them from where you create them and upload them. You can just drag and drop them into your Google Drive, keep it super organized, and it will be so easy to find everything you need to make sure you can get done in 3 days, right? Lack of organization is what's going to turn your 3 days to done into 30 days to done. So organize it. Take the time in the beginning, and I know we hound on this in the welcome in the first day. Take the time in the beginning to do these steps. Don't skip them, because once you get to day 2 and day 3, if these aren't done, then you're going to have to go back and fix it, and it's going to just take that much longer. So let's do it. Let's close my face, right? So Dropbox, good place. I'm going to go over and do it in Google Drive, though. A lot of stuff in my Google Drive. Ignore that. We're going to go into new, right? We're going to create a new folder, and this folder is going to be whatever you want to call it. Make sure you remember what it is. My digital course. Boom. Right? Okay, so my digital course. Pop it up. We're going to have 3 main folders in here. Folder number 1, videos. Folder number 2, graphics. Folder number 3, photos, headshots. Just to be clear, your faces build connection. And I'm going to throw a 4th one in there. Copy. Right, all copy. This is just going to be Word, pages, docs, all the things, because copy is an ongoing monster that you will fight for the rest of your life. We change the copy on our site once a week. Not because we want to, because I get on there and I'm like, oh, that doesn't make any sense. Let's redo it. So copy is always going to be there. If you get an idea, put it in your copy folder. If you think of a social media, oh my God, that would be such a great thing to put on social media as a quote or something I said, put it in your copy document. All of your just blah, 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 copy document, right? Okay. There we go. Bam. That's simple, right? And then you're going to go ahead and start dragging and dropping from your desktop, finding all the things and pulling them into your files. So I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on that. You can drag and drop. So let's say you have something on this right here, drag and drop it, right? Easy enough. Let's say you have something you want to upload. All right, new, and we can do a file upload, which means like a zip file or a folder upload, but you can upload individual files here. A little tip, if you hit shift, you can upload multiple ones. They will all start uploading into here as well, right? So that's how you do it.